Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. Let's have a look at another great pre-owned vehicle. 2017 Hyundai Tucson, dark gray in color. It's our front wheel drive package. Lots of standard features. Been a great seller. Tucson has been around for a long time. I believe 05, I think 05. Gone through a couple body changes. This is definitely one of my favorite looking Tucsons. You have lots of standard features, which I'll show you. Sorry about the traffic, but we'll get through that. So yeah, we're going to walk around the outside. As you can see, it's in very nice shape. You got fog lights. This is the GL front wheel drive package. So lots of standard features. Hyundai is known for their standard features. As you can see, no major visible damages or anything like that. And that's what we like to show you in these videos. So in case you decide to visit us, but if you're like me and like to couch shop, definitely gives you a bird's eye view. So that panel is just at our detail shop getting cleaned. So we'll get that panel back in there, which will be nice. As you can see, you've got the spare tire there. So again, hopefully you never have to use it. So again, that panel will be back in the vehicle. Sorry about that. Sometimes they take it out. Don't tell me. But hey, that's what happens when you do live, or not live videos, but I like to be honest with everyone. So you got a nice cloth seating here. You got some cup holders as well. This can fold up, room for up to 5 passengers. You got nice cloth, you got some ventilation for your passengers. Carpet's all in good shape. You can see no rips or tears, anything like that on the seating. You got power windows in the rear. Move up. All right. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear windows as well. Good feature to keep the kids safe. You have an adjustable driver's seat so you can raise it up, down. You can move the back support front to back. And underneath the seat, there's a lever you can pull the seat, again, front to back. So again, the seat is definitely adjustable. You have the ability to adjust your interior illumination. You have traction control, which you can shut off. I'm gonna jump in and move the seat up a little bit. As I mentioned, remote starter. Démarrage à distance in French. So a little added bonus, little remote starter, which, you know what, a lot of people still like, especially here in Canada. More for the winter, but hey, in the summer it's not a bad idea as well. So again, some more of the standard features. I'm just gonna turn the air on before I heat myself up here. Alrighty. Some more standard features: Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition, volume controls, all standard on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. You have automatic headlights as well. You have cruise control on the right-hand side. You also have the ability to toggle through and personalize some of the settings to the vehicle. So, and that's all at the tips of the driver's hands. You've got drive modes. Again, you can drive in eco, normal, or sport mode. Again, it's all about personalization. You have downhill brake assist control. You have all your auxiliaries and plugins down there. Just because it's our entry package, you're not missing out. You got heated seats on both sides. You've also got front rear defrost, air conditioning, all standard issue hazards, and a good size touch screen with a backup camera. And I believe this one, let me just check here. Yeah, XM satellite radio capability. So XM satellite radio. So if you have a subscription or you want to try out a subscription, you have the ability to do so with this Tucson. So again, lots of standard features. Stuff you need: keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, air conditioning, Bluetooth. Sirius XM satellite radio, definitely not something you need, but I really want it. So again, it's in this vehicle. Lots of stuff at the driver's fingertips. So again, I keep saying again and again, I apologize. It must be my word of the day. Very nice vehicle, low kilometers, factory warranty. Call, text, or email us if you have any questions. Shop 24/7 at CWAHunday.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs. And make sure you follow us on Facebook. We're always giving away tons of good stuff. So whether you're in the market or not, it definitely pays to follow us on Facebook. Thank you.